Hey beautiful, welcome back to Beauty is What I Do 2.0, where over here I share all things beauty, skincare, and living well over 40. And today I am sharing my honest thoughts about 4 skincare products that I have been using for, I think it's been at least over 6 months. And the good thing is that this video is not sponsored at all, but these products were sent to me as a gift. And I just decided to use them, and I can honestly say I am truly impressed. The products were sent to me as a gift, but baby, I'm not gonna show anything or recommend anything that truly did not work, because I want it to work for you too. So today I'm flexing a little bit. I am on camera with no makeup on. Well, let me take that back. I got on mascara and I got on lip gloss. I don't have on no foundation. I don't have on no concealer. I don't have on any blush, bronzer, powder, nothing. This is my bare skin. And you know what? The funny thing is, before I did this video, I said, you know what? My analytics say most of my people look at their videos on their TV, as I do too. And I said, Lord, the truth is gonna be out. But you know what? I'm feeling real good. I'm feeling real confident about the way my skin looks. And I just had to share it with you because if you're a midlife woman like me, you probably have a few skin concerns. I am 55, about to be 56. Lord, I cannot believe I'm about to be 56. Ooh. I had to just let that sit in for a minute. But anyway, these products, I have never tried anything like this with all these wonderful ingredients. And so today I'm gonna be breaking it down about these 4 amazing products. So I'm gonna tell you who the products are best for, what each product does, and how it worked on my midlife skin. So if you got dry skin, fine lines, dark circles, girl, this is the video for you. And if you want to bring out the glow in your skin, baby, keep watching. All right, let's get started with this video. Okay, so the very first product that I really fell in love with, because I'm real serious about my serums, and I was so excited when I saw that there were 2 in this package. So the very first one is called Rapid Repair Barrier Balancing Serum. So this is the one that I use during the day. So after I wash in the morning, this is what I put on next. Now, what is it? It's a super hydrating serum with niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and antioxidants. What does it do? It heals and strengthens your skin's moisture barrier. And God knows, as we are getting older, we definitely need more moisture in our skin. We want to keep it looking plump and radiant and all the things. So the results that I noticed that I got from it was that my skin texture was much more smoother, and I definitely have fewer fine lines. Now, if you are a woman that suffers from a little bit of redness, this too can help you. It definitely addresses that. That wasn't something that I have had to deal with, but as far as the texture of my skin, much smoother, and the fine lines are so much more smaller or so much less noticeable than before. Who is this for? It's for anyone who's dry, dehydrated, or anyone who just has aging skin. And if you're over 40, you're in that category, boo. When can you use this? You honestly can use this morning and night, and you want to use it before your moisturizer. I personally have only used it during the day, but it's nice to know that you can use it at night. I'm not quite sure. I guess you would use it at night if you didn't have the night times, but we're about to get to that. So this is the very first product that I absolutely love. It truly has done what I was hoping to get out of a product, and that is to smooth out the texture of my skin and make my fine lines appear less and less. This is product number 2, Revitalite Eyelid Dark Circle Corrector. Love. Now, can I just say that reading is truly fundamental? because this does so much. I didn't even realize it. I knew that my eyes were looking better, but there was one thing that I did not know that it did that I know y'all gonna love. I know y'all gonna love. So let me just tell you, this is a 5-in-1 eye cream with a cooling tip. What it does, it tackles puffiness, dark circles. This is the one I didn't know that it did, y'all. Droopy lids. Say less. We can end the video right there. Droopy lids and fine lines. Oh my God. So I was thinking, my God, my lids are looking, it looks like I had a little Botox. I could see my shadow better. I could see all of the colors better. I was looking awake. I was looking just great in my eyelid area. And I did not know that this is one of the things that it does. So I was definitely experiencing more tightness above my eyelid, more tightness in the eyelid area. Definitely brighter eyes underneath. I was also noticing that I'm a little bit firmer underneath the eye, that I just really looked awake and that I was just not asleep. I didn't look like I was tired. So I am truly grateful for this product right here. Now, who is this for? This is for any woman over 40 who has tired and aging eyes. Who would that be? That would be me. Let me raise both of my hands on that. And what the bonus about this product is that it wears very, very well underneath your makeup. So this, I'm gonna recommend y'all. Droopy eyes, because I know how y'all are about the heavy lids and trying to do your liner and all of that. Come on, get you some of this, right? Before you have to go to a doctor, okay? All right, so let's move on to product number 3. So y'all, I'm gonna have to tell you a story. When I used to work in retail, of course I sold skincare and I would sell, and I was in my 20s and 30s. So during that time when I would have women come in, and of course they're concerned, just as we are right now, our skin looking better, trying to fix things that just all of a sudden sprung on them. I didn't get it because my skin was pretty tight and right. So I didn't really get it. I get it now. I remember a big concern for a lot of women was the neck area. And so I just mostly attribute it to maybe they lost weight and now they have this extra skin. But girl, no. I've lost weight, but I've always had a small face. I've always been smaller on top. So that wasn't the case. I promise you, I felt like I woke up and all of a sudden I felt like a rooster, a chicken, or something underneath. I said, when did this happen in the middle of the night? So God, if I ever judged another woman when I was in my 20s and 30s, God, please forgive me, because I know how they feel right now, because it just happens. And so I was so happy when this came. I was so happy when this was in the kit. Do you hear me? So anyway, this is called the Self-Esteem Neck Firming Lift. So this cream has peptides in it, it has squalene in it, AHAs, and antioxidants. What does it do? It firms sagging skin. Girl, smooth lines from, oh gosh, it's smooth lines from our phones and laptops, right? Because we're always looking down. We're looking down too much. We need to hold our heads up. Stop looking down, y'all. That's what this is coming from. But anyway, the results that I feel that I have seen is a much smoother neck, a little bit firmer in the neck. And now I can say that I haven't been as diligent, because this is something you want to apply daily. And because it was something that I just was not used to, I was used to doing my moisturizer, my eye cream, my serums, but I wasn't used to applying or caring for my neck area. So there were times when I did not do it. I washed my face every day. I could probably say that maybe I did it maybe 3 or 4 times out the week, but I am much more diligent now. And the point is I need it. If it says it's going to work for the neck and to lift it, I need it, point blank, right? So I'm going to continue to use this and I will keep you updated, but I do feel like that area is much more smoother. It doesn't look as wrinkly, does not look as wrinkly, and I'm very happy about that. Okay, moving on to the very last product that I super duper love. Okay, now the fourth product that I love, oh my God, this right here. Oh, y'all, it's fantastic. This is called the Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. And I knew from day one, this was also going to be a product that I was going to faithfully use every day. And I promise you I do. The most important thing is I love the way it makes my skin look. Like, that's the end result. We want our skin to look amazing. And this, I said, you know what? I need to start using this during the day. But because of the ingredients in it, I cannot use it during the day, but it's amazing. It does what you need it to do. And when you wake up in the morning, your skin is still looking fabulous. So let's get into what it has in it. It has alpha hydroxy acids in it. It has overnight AHA serum with glycolic acid, salicylic acid, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. Y'all, it's got all the acids in it. It's doing exactly what you need it to do with all of these amazing products. So what it does is it exfoliates, it smooths, it fades dark spots, and it brightens the skin. I have to agree. I have to concur with this. It does exactly that. And my results that I feel like I noticed that my pores are smaller. More importantly, my skin is glowing at night and it's glowing in the morning, and it has helped with my hyperpigmentation, as you saw. As you can see now, it's a wonder in a bottle, y'all. This right here is something you too will last. Now, if you are new to acids, I would say start off just 2 times a week and let your skin get used to it, maybe for the first couple of weeks. And if you're using this at night, it is a must that you use sunscreen during the day. You've got to use your sunscreen because all these acids, y'all, you got to protect your skin. So that's what you have to do when you're using this product. Now, who is it for? Anybody that's got dull skin, uneven skin, textured skin, any of those issues. Sometimes even after you've been sick, sometimes your skin is just gray and it doesn't look at the best that it can look. This is for that person. And can I also say this? If you've got men in your life, like you over here doing all the steps and they just washing in the morning and they leaving, y'all, invest in this for your men, for your, y'all, we want them to look just as good. And I'm sure deep down they want their skin to look good too. They may not say it, how much we're concerned about it, but listen, anything I hand my husband, he'd be like, okay. He don't ask for nothing, but if I give it to him, he'd be like, okay. He take it and he uses it. So anyway, that is the fourth product and I absolutely love it, as you can see. So beautiful. That's all I have for you today. I know it was a short video, but I feel like it was a very important video because these products are really, really nice. I will have everything all linked in my description, what it does, so you'll know exactly, okay, what is this one for, in case, you forget. But yeah, there's some really, really good products. And sometimes I love just having a system. I love sometimes working with one product line, and it's been nice just using this. And the only thing that I've had to really add to this is my vitamin C. I still love using my vitamin C and my own moisturizer, but everything else has been wonderful from Dermelect, and I am so grateful that they gifted me these products. And yeah, I'm about to buy some more, okay? So anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome. If you're my day ones, as always, thank you for coming back and supporting and watching my videos and commenting. Let me know if you decide to try it. Let me know your results after 1 month. And ladies, the thing with skincare, you've got to give it 4 to 6 weeks, right? Don't use it for 2 weeks and be like, girl, it ain't doing nothing. it's gonna do something. You've got to let it do what it needs to do, okay? So thank you again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a fabulous weekend. Bye.